Good morning from Phuket.
We are about to go take the bike out for one last spin, and then we are checking out of this hostel, and then
Going to Monkey Hill.
Monkey Hill! Oh my gosh!
So we're about to return the bike, and we're gonna figure out if we get our $200 deposit back.
Fingers crossed we do. Well, I'm very relieved.
It was not a scam. We got our $200 back. Now we're gonna walk back to the hostel and then check out and head on to Monkey Hill. So for the last 2 days, we've been staying on the west side of Phuket, and we are now staying on the east side today. So we're about to take a taxi over. It should be about 570 baht according to our Grab app. So we're probably gonna compare with a taxi and see if we can get it for cheaper.
We just asked the front desk woman at the hostel about how much it would cost to get to our new hostel, and she said it would only be 500 baht if we took a taxi. So she just ordered one for us.
Because Grab was gonna be 570.
Yep.
We made it to the summer hotel. And here's our room at the summer hotel. Another private room. This is pretty nice. We got our own private bathroom again. A TV. Here's our bathroom. Oh, the shower's really tiny.
Good thing we showered at our last one then.
Pretty spacious room though. We have our own balcony. Look how cool that is. Alright, we're gonna go grab some food because we have not eaten yet today, and then Monkey Hill. Megan found the perfect place for her.
I think there's a lot of fake stuff done.
Oh, like tofu and things?
Yeah. Well, because look. It says
Oh, artificial. Artificial duck fish. Oh yeah, I'm fine with that. Beef not real.
What do you think?
A little different. It's pretty similar though. Maybe less sweet.
Yeah, like the syrup's different or something.
Yeah, probably the syrup's different than the sugar. It's really good though.
We're sitting next to a fan, and so that's why Xavier's hair is going crazy.
Oh yeah. I got a fried chicken in parentheses because it's a vegetarian restaurant, and a big bowl of rice.
And I got noodles, and both of our meals are 50 baht each. So 100 baht, $3 total.
Yeah, really cheap. It's good. This sauce is so amazing. I just asked for seconds of it. It's really sweet, but it's also really spicy. I just doused it all over the rice. It's just so good. Oh, thank you. So I believe we are now on Monkey Hill. I've read that it takes about half a mile to get up the hill before you start seeing any monkeys. And we passed a banana stand, but I'm hoping there's gonna be more coming on up.
It is so hot. My face is literally dripping sweat.
There are so many stray dogs just passed out from the heat all over the streets. Oh. They just cross the road whenever you walk up to them. Don't get up. And they go right back to sleep. Oh. We're definitely in the right place. We finally made it to the top. This is a pretty brutal walk, honestly, and we like to walk a lot. But we finally see monkeys, so it's all worth it. Hello. Hello. Oh no, we gotta go get food. Well, there's a monkey on my back. And here. Not getting down. There goes Megan's sunglasses.
Oh, give them back. Come here, I'll give you food. I have food.
Put them on.
Oh my gosh. So something about this hill that's super nice is although the monkeys can come to the road and be around people, if they don't want to, they can just hop to the bush over here and be people free. Okay,
Thank you. We got a coconut. Cheapest one yet.
Yeah.
That was amazing.
I loved it. That was incredible.
Yeah, that was honestly one of my favorite experiences, and it's going to be hard to top. Definitely a much quicker walk down than it was going up.
And it's like nice and shaded and cool and windy. Very different.
It actually turned into a really nice day. And the sky's like still pretty white, but a little bit blue. Well, Monkey Hill was amazing. We're back at the hostel now, so we're gonna call it a night, but tomorrow we're gonna try to figure out how to get to one of the islands.